Oh my god. Hi guys. It's me. So I know I've been gone for a really long time. If you hear squeaking and like some farting noises, I swear it's not me. It's literally this chair and it's so squeaky. I'm gonna just stop moving. Okay. This chair is not it. Anyways, I'm back. Oh my god, guys. It's been like 7 months, I think. My last video was in like March or April. I don't remember. Point is, it's almost November. So yeah, I didn't do anything video related during quarantine, which was really dumb of me because that would literally be the perfect time. Not that anyone cares. Me acting like I have a million subscribers asking from me on the daily. Bro, no, I got like 2 people asking me and it was like my aunt and my cousin. This video goes up before Halloween ends, so like either today or tomorrow. Then success, but I highly doubt that. But we can dream, you know? So obviously, if you guys don't know, ignore that poster and ignore the shirt. If you ignore all this, you guys will know that I am deeply in love with The Weeknd. I'm gonna attempt to do like the scratch. I don't know what, you know what I mean. And I bought some some liquid latex, so we're just gonna attempt that. And then my sister's gonna do the nose. She originally was supposed to do the scratch and that, but like that would be too much success, you know, for these videos. And I know you guys came here to see me fail, so also what the hell, why is my forehead so big? So I have like a black eye, so like from here to here it'll just be like red. Okay, so I got this little palette. I got some reds, and then I got my trusty clean heel palette. I need to look for some fake blood because I think I might need that, but if not, I have liquid lipstick and some determination. Okay, so I can't find the fake blood, and I have a mirror right here, so if you see me like looking into something, it's this mirror. I might just put it down here, to be honest. Actually, that lighting is trash. Never mind, I take it back. This entire lighting is trash. This setup is garbage. Put this like reddish shade, and I'm gonna just put it like in my crease or just like random places. That for the special effects, and I'm just gonna use this for like my eyeshadow because shoddy, this ain't it. It doesn't have to be like super neat. This is supposed to be like, oh, pretty eyeshadow. There we go, looking great already. Now that I look beat, quite literally, just put it like wherever, like shade it a little bit, but right now this is like the redness around it. So now I'm going to go in with like purple and brown and like go on like the under circles. So yeah, I look wrecked, I know. This is the eyes basically. I'm just gonna add a little darker and then we good to go. Here's the time that I know you've all been waiting for. I know you guys didn't come here to see me succeed. You guys came to see me fail. So I'm about to attempt to do the little cut right here with liquid latex. Ew. What the? Oh my god, that smells like straight up vagina. So I guess I just layer this on. I don't know. Oh my god, if this takes my eyebrow off, I'm suing. Ew, my contour. My skin! Okay, you guys don't care that much. Okay, I'm so close to just saying fuck this liquid latex because it's not really doing what I thought it would do. I'm gonna just create like a big slit. I'm going to put liquid lipstick. It's like some ColourPop red one. I don't know. Any dark red will work. Ew, my side profile. Okay, that's a lot more purple than I remember. We can fix this, I think. And just slowly trickle it down. So I'm going to grab that red that I used in the beginning and this brush, staple it like around here to show that like the wound is like irritated, and kind of connect it to this eye. As close as it's gonna get. The fact that I even managed to do that is like a miracle. Okay, so my eyeliner looks ugly. Okay, I messed it up here and I messed it up the wing. It looked fine, but then I tried to make it match this one and I failed epically because that's just atrocious. I was doing my makeup for my senior pictures and I tried to take it off with a Q-tip and that went about as bad as it can get. Oh my god, where's my freaking brush? Ooh. Okay, a lash just flew off out of nowhere and then a brush did too. Okay. I'm gonna try and clean up this mess and then I'll be back. Alright, so I'm just waiting for this to dry. Okay, my lashes look so bad right now, but I don't even care anymore. My mom found the fake blood. Now I don't have to use lipstick. I can actually drip some shit down my face. I look red. I literally look like I just got beat up because these lashes are not it. These are the lashes of a woman that just got her ass whooped. So I don't know what the hell is going on with these lashes. But like, well, this one is just so different than this one. When I look at you in your eyes, I see there's something burning inside you. Oh, inside you. My sister's taking too long, so I might just do this on my own because homegirl's taking her sweet time. Ew, my hair. I should have kept the lash glue so that I could like tape the napkin because I'm ghetto. I don't have bandages for my nose because we don't be reckless like that. So I might just use a panty liner. Aha. Oh, they're so little. Okay, there we go. Why does it keep doing that? Okay, whatever. So I'm about to just ghetto DIY this shit. You ain't never seen anything more ratchet than what you're about to witness right now. No. I mean, it works. Let me put lash glue on it. We're gonna layer this, boy, because we extra like that. Okay, yeah, I got it. Oh god, that is so bad. Oh my god. Okay, let me just tear off a couple pieces. Okay, so I'm gonna just grab like a blob like that, put it all over this thing, even though it stinks. I'm just trying to put it like around here, like around the edges, so that I can like put blood there and stuff. Ew, I'm not putting it. Oh my god, that stinks. Okay, I'm gonna grab this brush again. I'm just gonna go straight in for the dark red. So I'm gonna just put it where I'm gonna like map out like where I'm going to put the blood. Ooh, this does not look very good. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna put the blood on now. What's your favorite song from After Hours? Comment yours down below. I think mine is probably After Hours and Until I Bleed Out. Oh my god. I'm sorry, can't see that you truly love me. Sorry, that's just a completely different artist. I think that's good actually. I think I got most of it. I think this is about as accurate as it's gonna get for me and my skill sets. I'm gonna put like the fake blood on. Let me do that with my finger. I hope it doesn't stain.
I'm a virgin. Never got close enough. Cell phone blowing up, but I'm waiting for the right person.
So I think it does stain because I am red on my fingers. I am about to look like Rudolph. Oh my god, wait, what was that one Weeknd lyric? It's like, got a brand new girl called Rudolph. She probably OD before I show her to mama. What should I do with the lips? Besides get lip injections. Oh my god, what if I did red lipstick? How would that look? What is wrong with me? Not the move. Now I really need chapstick. Ugh. I feel like this is gonna fall off. It's not like stable enough. Man, I'm hungry as fuck too. Not having a good time. Are any of these chapstick? No. Bro, what the fuck? Okay, I guess I didn't bring it then, and I'm just really stupid. This was a lot quicker than I expected. Why does my normal makeup routine take longer than whatever the hell I just did in my face right now? So I'm gonna see how to do the mouth, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the cut is on the lower lip, so it's like with the liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna like put it right here. I just gotta do this. I wish my lips were as voluptuous as his. That looks like ass. Oh my god, what did I do? I think this has to extend down that much, so I'll just pretend like that's this irritation. Huh? Alright guys, I think we're done with the makeup. Watch out, Weeknd. It's your star, girl.
Oh, no.
This is the finished look. Looking real good, right? I am eager to show you guys my costume. And I stole my sister's red bottoms. How the hell do you walk in these? What the? I'm like holding on to like the nearest thing. How? How, Sway? Story time. So I went to this like donut place, and they were having like a discount today where it was like if you're dressed up, you get like 30% off. So me and my sister and my friend and her boyfriend, we went. And so I got out with my friend, and we just like walked up to the counter, and then this like old lady, she wasn't old, and she goes, "Are you okay?" And I was like, "Huh?" And then I like completely forgot that this was on my face. I was like, "Yeah." And then she looked at my friend like as if he had like beaten me, and then I was like, "Oh, it's just a costume." And like she kept looking at him. It was the funniest thing ever.
I just realized I forgot to do an outro for this video, so just keep in mind it's like November 20th, so this is like almost a month ago. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for taking however long this took out of your day to watch. Have a good day.
Never need a bitch, I'm what a bitch need.